one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. There are places in the heart where old words cling more deeply than you realize. Things which were once spoken over you, which you've repeated, and they've become part of who you are. They've settled down inside of you in such a way that they feel almost normal. But the Lord says, I'm washing away the lies of the enemy. I'm washing from you his words of accusation, and I'm bringing you back into my word that brings liberty and freedom, my word that washes you clean like the waves of the ocean, washing away the lies of the enemy as I bring you into a place of security and rest in me. For I am the Lord who loves and accepts you. I am the Lord who draws you close to my heart. Don't be afraid. Do not fear, but trust that I'm with you, the Lord who makes you whole, the Lord who makes you new. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.